Now when I say go,
come on. Get your hand up here. Don't look at me. Don't mean mug me, boy. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah.
go!
Here we go. Mark Henry, the 410-pound world's strongest man, about to put John Cena down. Look at the strain on the face of the #1 contender.
And the strain that's got to be on that pectoral muscle. Cena needs to use as much strength as he can in that forearm, but Cena's giving it everything he's got. Look at he's back up almost even with Henry.
We're just about back where we started. Look at Cena.
Look at this.
With everything he's
Look
got.
at this.
Can Cena do it? Can Cena do it?
এখানে থাক। ভাই বসে অনেক মনে